One of the best times to visit Thailand is during the celebration of the Songkran Festival. However, I had no idea what Songkran Festival is, and even less idea that is happening in this time when I am arriving. So yes, this is my first hours in Thailand ever, and I found out about this festival from the taxi driver that dropped me off right here. So here is how I found out what Songkran is all about. Songkran is the Thai's New Year's national holiday and Thailand's most famous water festival. It's on 13th of April every year, but depending on which part of Thailand, the celebration can last between 3 and even 10 days.
Thank you.
During the celebration of the Songkran, over the years, gentle splashing at family and friends has evolved to the biggest water fight on this planet. During Songkran, water splashing is more than fun way to cool down. It symbolizes washing off other people's bad luck and sins. It is after all Thai's New Year. It's time for fresh beginnings. It's not just a silly water balloon fight. You will see fire trucks, hoses, massive water guns, buckets, etc. So during Songkran, be ready to get drenched and soaking wet.
Okay, thank you. Where are you from?
Croatia. Philippines.
Yes! You're all from Philippines. Vamos, tayo take a picture! Picture! Yeah!
Lugi siya lagi siya wala sa Good job. Hey! Really original.
As a part of celebration, Thai people also apply a white clay or pasty powder to each other's face or neck. This is a sign of a blessing.
myself, man.
The name Songkran comes from a Sanskrit word meaning passing or approaching, or astrological passage. It is a new year's, time for fresh beginnings, and it's time for me to move on to my next adventure.